Welcome back, guys. In today's video I'm going to cook with you fluffy pancakes. So there I'm having my flour. I'll get their vanilla essence. There I'm having butter. There are blackberries, guys, and 1 egg because I'm not used cooking a lot of pancakes. I'll have packet of milk, then sugar. So let's start. There I'm having my egg and my butter. Let me mix. I'll add 1 scoop of sugar, guys. Then put milk. Let's mix. Remember to like the video, guys. I'll have to add now my vanilla essence, guys. Vanilla essence is a very good, smelling nice. I'll have to put my flour, guys. Remember I'm using raisin sun flour. Let's mix. Almost ready, guys. Yes, my flour is ready. So I'll have to add my blackberries, guys. And I'll cut into tiny pieces. After cutting those blackberries, guys, I'll have to mix on my flour. Try it one day, thank me later, guys. Yeah, so let's mix. After that, we'll start cooking our pancakes. I'll have to use this extra virgin oil, guys. You can use any oil. For me, I'm using this because it's the one in the kitchen. Our pan is already heated. Let's put our flour. Guys, remember to support this channel. Wow, look the way it is. Very nice and yummy, guys. Guys, I ate these pancakes, almost all of them. It was so yummy, yummy, yummy. Looks very beautiful. Remember to share this video, guys, to your friends. There is somebody somewhere outside there who don't know how to cook pancakes, fluffy pancakes, guys. So if you share this video, it's good. So there are my pancakes, guys. They're so beautiful. Yes, and I will have to prepare it with tea. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Remember to leave a very nice comment down there. So that is my tea. I will have to take it with those pancakes, guys. So thank you. Bye. See you for another video. Mwah, mwah, mwah.